It's DCS right back again, and it's another weekend, and as I told, it's the Hot Wheels series. I've brought back the Hot Wheels series, guys, once again. So here, this time, it is a very unique car. It's got 7 out of 10 in HWR cars. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. It's the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe, guys. So yeah, it is quite a cool and unique pony car. At first, I couldn't recognize it because of its custom colors. I just literally thought that this was a custom car and just ignored it. But still, when I couldn't find most of the Hot Wheels, I just took a closer look and then I noticed it was a Mustang. So I just had to grab it, guys. So yeah. It is quite a unique car, and before we get to the unboxing itself, we gotta talk about the last week's video. Well, last week's video was the Dodge Ice Charger. It was a test video, guys, and I have to say, it was a very fast RC, guys. If you haven't watched that, check it out. It'll be popping up on the screen right now. So, yeah. This brings us to another topic. Oh yeah, the quiz, guys! Yeah, it has been a long time, so going up to the quiz, here goes the question. Which car's engine did the early Koenigsegg cars resemble? So yeah, it's quite a tricky one, but the people who know it, comment it down below. What are you waiting for? And as we don't have any viewers' cars this time, let's just go off for the unboxing, guys. So here goes. Alright, the Mustang is out of the box, and now it's time for the looks and details, guys. So at first glance, this car has a lot of deep carve-outs. For example, its tail lamps and its fuel door, and the exhaust is also carved out, but it's not pretty much seen. Even the front grille is carved out, even the headlamps too. It has a lot of deep carve-outs, but it misses the headlamp details. For example, it has no color on it, so the carve-out is no use. And yeah, the best part in this car is its front hood vents, guys. I really like them. They're pretty nicely, you know, detailed. And yeah, the interior, the black interior of this car is amazing. I really like that too. And of course, the transparent glass, can't miss that. That's also a cool one. But the crazy color on this car ain't so good, and it misses the side view mirrors. That's also a disappointment. And its wheels, even though it has that nice 5-spoke wheels, it's still not good with that color, guys. So the major bad thing on this car is its color. Rather than that, it's really nice, and it misses a lot of details. Well, as we have taken a round look, guys, let's move on for the information. Let's see what's it got under the hood. So, moving on to the information of the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe, guys. Let's start off with the body style. The body style is a two-door hardtop. Time about its production. The production actually began at 1965 and it ended up at 1973. In my perspective, that's quite a good production run, guys, because they made many cars at that time span. So yeah, moving on to its horsepower, this car packs up to 335 brake horsepower, which is again impressive at its time. Well, talk about the engine. At the low end, you get the 3.3 liter Thrift Power inline 6-cylinder. But if you go for the high end, you get the 7 liter Cobra Jet V8, the massive V8, the cool one. Well, that was an optional package, guys, so it is hard to find that Cobra Jet V8 now. And this car is a rear wheel drive, obviously. Talk about its transmission. There are few options. You get a 3-speed automatic, and again you get the 3-speed manual, and there is another one that's the 4-speed manual. I prefer the 4-speed manual. Well, time about the width, guys. The width of this car is 1,801 in millimeters. Time about the length. The length of this car is 4,663 in millimeters. Time about its weight. The current weight of this car is 1,251 kilograms. I can't say that it's too heavy, or I even can't say that it's too light. Well, it's somewhere in between, guys. So, time about its 0 to 60 time. It is quite nice, probably in its time, because it did it in 5.7 seconds. So, according to me, it's pretty nice. Well, time about its top speed, guys. The top speed of this car is 132 miles per hour. That's 213 kilometers per hour. That's also good in its time, I guess. Well, I couldn't find the price for this car, guys, because it had a lot of variations, so I really couldn't find. My apologies, guys. Let's just talk about the rating. As it misses a lot of details and stuff, I give it a 7 out of 10, guys. So, yeah, that's quite a less rating. So, yeah, here I am, arrived at the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also do comment your answers below. I'll check them out next week, guys. So stay tuned, stay home, stay safe, stay quarantined. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.